If the blower motor runs but airflow is weak, start by checking the simple filters and registers before assuming a major failure. First, replace the air filter with a model that matches the system specifications and note the direction arrow so you install it correctly. High-quality filters can increase resistance, so choose a minimum efficiency appropriate for your system and inspect it every month during heavy use. Next, inspect visible ductwork for soft spots, crushed sections, disconnected joints and gaps. Feel for cold air leaks while the system is running and follow the trunk lines from the furnace or air handler as far as you can reach. If you have flexible ducts, ensure they are stretched straight and not kinked behind attic access panels or in crawl spaces, because compressed flex reduces effective diameter dramatically. Check all supply and return grills and registers to make sure dampers are open and nothing is blocking airflow on either side, such as furniture or curtains. And remove vent covers to look for obstructions inside the boot. Finally, measure basic airflow by holding a thin strip of tissue paper at the register to see how strongly it is pulled and compare multiple rooms to identify whether the issue is localized to one branch or system-wide. Common mistakes include blaming the blower's speed when the filter is clogged, which you fix by replacing the filter and scheduling monthly checks. People often overlook collapsed or crushed flexible ducting. The quick remedy is to reposition, add support straps, and replace any permanently flattened sections. Another frequent problem is closed or obstructed registers and returns. Open the dampers, clear furniture away, and remove any grills to inspect for blockages so the system can balance airflow properly. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share experiences and practical tips about airflow troubleshooting. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct conversations with homeowners through our platform.